This is our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan with only 46,000 original miles. This Grand Caravan is the SXT trim package, so you have automatic driver seat controls. The rear doors are all automatic as well. You can control the ramp and the doors automatically from the key fob. Interior is very, very clean. It's obviously been very well kept. You can see the anchors there to hold in the wheelchair in the back. There's the ramp folded up. Both seats have a pedal that you are able to remove. It does come equipped with AM, FM, and satellite radio options, as well as backup camera. You have front and rear air conditioning controls. Here's your ramp access door. Again, a very, very clean car with only 46,000 miles on it.